come as no surprise to you to hear that it's been and continues to be a most challenging year. But you also know the adaptation that we've had to make as a result of the pandemic are not as challenging as the adaptations people living with ALS need to make every day. It's not as challenging as finding treatments and cures for this devastating disease.
In a year such as this, our unity, altruism, and joint efforts to propel forward the mission of the Golden West chapter are critical and inspiring. And together we are a part of something bigger than ourselves. There's a deep power in our collective effort. We're stronger together, and you are each making a difference in our shared vision to create a world without ALS.
Our vision, our plan, fueled by your support, brings that opportunity into clear focus and puts it within our reach.
2020 brought many unforeseen challenges, and the Golden West chapter responded with urgency and haste. It wasn't easy, but it was vitally important.
You, our staff, our volunteers, our donors, your dedicated effort made our pivot and our growth during this challenging time possible.
We are the only ALS organization fighting the disease on 3 fronts: comprehensive and compassionate care services for families facing ALS, advancing public policy, and funding the most promising global research. The chapter fuels this mission through the dedication and generosity of supporters and sponsors like you.
You and thousands of others have stepped up and boosted our mission-critical priorities in an unprecedented year. Donors powered our pivot to telehealth strategies, all of our programs and services. All of our activities, which prior to March of this year required face-to-face contact, were transformed within 30 days to a virtual format.
We are relentlessly committed to meeting the diverse needs of the ALS community and to ensuring that no one is alone when facing this disease.
Our evidence-based model of care, driven by philanthropy, is proving itself to be adaptable and resilient. We understand that it's our donors and stakeholders who make all good things possible,
as well as hundreds of virtual walkers, cyclists, golfers, runners, bidders, and Campaign for Cures and Care donors throughout our service area in California and Hawaii.
Your support underwrites our work with more than 27 multidisciplinary ALS specialty clinics. You've backed the launch of a new series of Ask Me educational webinars seen by hundreds of people living with ALS. You are funding more ALS research projects worldwide, and of the several drugs in late-stage development, you've been early investors in most of them. And finally, you are propelling advocacy initiatives that are producing results that are essential to everyone living with ALS.
To put it simply, thank you, thank you, thank you.